Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create this beautiful and unique macrame raffia wall hanging. I was inspired by Pinterest and decided to create this boko decoration. In this tutorial you will learn how to make macrame knots called horizontal double hitch knot. Also, you will get all calculation for this project. Gather these materials. You can find direct Amazon links in the video's description. First, I moisten the raffia slightly in water and gently pat it dry with a paper towel. This makes it more pliable and enjoyable to work with. Divide the 200 grams of raffia into 8 equal portions. Also, prepare the cotton cords whose quantity and length can be found in the video description. I secured the bamboo to the table, using tape to minimize movement, which can assist in creating an even triangle. Place one bundle of raffia on top of the cords. Take the cord, starting with the one in the middle. Place it on top of the raffia. Pull it from underneath towards yourself through the loop that forms. Repeat this action. In the next row, we do the same as before, except for the 2 cords on the sides. Just let them hang to form a triangular shape. Enjoy your crafting with me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. By liking this video, you will make this video visible for others. Tie the raffia in a regular knot to ensure there's no empty space in the middle as shown in the video. Leave the cotton cord inside the raffia knot. Use the needle to thread the cotton cord through the raffia knot to secure the triangle. Add wooden beads of various sizes to random spots in the macrame raffia wall hanging. Cut 1.5 meters of cotton cord, 59 inches, and thread it through the hole in the bamboo using a wooden stick. You can also secure the cotton cord with knots at the ends if you prefer, but it's optional. The final step is to shape the raffia using scissors and enjoy the results. Thank you for watching my video.